market your product or service to the best of your abilities. And I know many people, including me, have a hard time marketing our product or service because we don't want to bother people, and we're like, oh, who wants to buy that? And so that's why having the best product possible is really important, because if you believe in your product or service, and if you believe that it can change people's lives, you will have more motivation. Because if you had, for example, a product that can help people with their productivity, or if you have some hacks that can help people run a marathon without spending like months and months training, that's just and I'm not here to encourage laziness, it's just an example. But yeah, if you have like this product that can really change people's lives, you will want to market it, because you know people will need it. You will know that people will have their lives changed by the product, so you won't feel that ashamed to sell your products and market them. So yes, you need to have the best product ever, the best product possible, but you also need to have a good marketing strategy. You need to promote what you do. Don't just create and then you stay like that. So that's something I'm the champion with. I like to create stuff, but I don't promote them. So yeah, don't do like me. And I'm learning to market my stuff more. So yeah, be courageous, but it's mostly because what you have to offer is really good and that can help people. And I have the specific example of a band that I just discovered. So a friend sent me a song, and then I went to check the album, and I was blown by the album, and I was like, wow, so we can still have people making that kind of music today. So I'm now a big fan, and I'm really grateful that those people from the band, they found the courage to market their music, because the music is good, yes, but if nobody knows about it, how can you reach the people who will need that music? So yeah, that's just one example.